Folks, we got some chart requests from over here inside of the Discord. We're going to be looking at Pltr, Clsk, and Mara here. If you guys have chart requests, just get them over here in the chart request section. I'm just going to go through this each and every day here and answer your guys' requests. I get a lot of spam in my comments now, so it's very hard to keep up. But over here, we're spam-free in the Discord. So chart request thread over here, drop them. Again, we're looking at Pltr, Clsk, and Mara. Clsk is going to be the first one here. So if you guys are familiar with our trading strategy, what we look to do is we look to buy when this blue wave is down here, given a green dot. Okay, so every time that has happened since all the way back here in 2023, this is almost 4 years of data right here. It's been a great time to buy. If you were buying back here in 2023, you bought it right there at $3.50. It popped all the way up here to around $20. Okay, it pulled back, gave you a signal right there in 2024 that came at around $8.41 and it popped up to around $18. Okay, beautiful trade right there. Again, we want to buy down here and sell up here. Okay, if you guys want more on our trading strategy, you can check out my free trading course over here as well in the Discord while you're there. Completely free trading course. Check that out. It explains these indicators, our sell strategy, our buy strategy, everything. Okay, 2025 back in last April, that came at like $6, $7, and it popped all the way up to 23. And we've had a brutal pullback ever since. We bought this one back here in 2025. This was a really good trade for us last year. Okay, we bought here and sold here at like 13, 14. It did end up going up to 22, right? We're never going to be perfect, right? But as long as we're getting in here and selling here, we're beating the majority of people. Okay, so this has pulled back really hard here since we got our top and signal right there in October, $22 all the way back down to $9. We got a signal a couple weeks ago at around $8.90. It's sitting down about $1 right now. I mean, as long as this thing holds on to $7.50, I really like the chart. I'd be a buyer right here at around $9. Once we see the signal, that will confirm. So I like where this one's sitting. Again, it's down probably 60% from this high right here on Clsk. That is a Bitcoin mining company, an energy company. The other one's Mara. These guys are very identical. This one's also been hit very hard off the signal here. We got the sell signal right there in November, right? We were selling up here at $23. Okay, it pulled all the way back down here to $7.50. So I really like Mara here up above 675. It's given the signal here, and it's got a MACD crossover as well. So you could put a stop loss right there if you want to at like 650 or 660. Okay, I think $8 looks good. If it goes lower, like if we have a really big capitulation dip like this, I mean, if that hits $3, I'm going to sell my house and buy it. But if that happens, like, expect to buy more. But as of right now, we should be bullish up above 680. And the last one's Pltr. Pltr still looks good above these lows from February at about 120, given the signal.